Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Core and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to press and hold the right middle button to open the menu, like this. After the menu opens, you can use the right lower button to scroll down through the menu. Select the option called the General and then press the right middle button to enter. Here, scroll down, find the option called Language, select it and press the right middle button. And now we can use the right upper and right lower buttons to scroll through the menu or through the list of languages. Select the language you would like to use on your watch and then press the right middle button to confirm. And the language should change. And once you're done, you can press the left upper button to go back to the clock. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.